Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Most people believe success follows a predictable path. Study hard, find a good job, and earn more money. And as income increases, so should lifestyle. A better phone, a larger home, more gadgets, more subscriptions. But something strange often happens. Even as income grows, financial stress remains. Many people feel trapped in a cycle of earning and spending. This pattern is known as lifestyle inflation. And it is one of the biggest reasons why people struggle to build wealth. However, some individuals are discovering a different approach, a philosophy called financial minimalism. Instead of asking, how can someone earn more money? Financial minimalism as a powerful question, more powerful question. What if someone simply needed less? Less is not laziness. Modern culture often celebrates being busy, working longer hours, taking multiple side hustles, constantly chasing productivity. But being busy does not always mean being effective. Financial minimalism encourages people to focus on fewer things that truly matter. For many Filipinos, this starts with simplifying their living space. Instead of filling homes with unnecessary items, people choose intentional living. For example, many individuals are now embracing small habits that promote relaxation. One of the most popular is growing indoor plants. A small plant on a desk or balcony can transform a living space. Beginners often start with simple tools such as minimalist plant pots, organic potting soil, beginner indoor plant kits. These affordable items are widely available through Shopee and Lazada, where many people purchase starter gardening supplies. The goal isn't simply decorating a home. The goal is creating an environment that encourages calmness, simplicity, and intentional living. Rule number two, take action before feeling ready. Many people delay financial decisions because they feel unprepared. They wait until they understand investing perfectly. They wait until their salary increases. They wait until the right moment. But truth is simple. That perfect moment rarely arrives. Progress usually begins with small, imperfect actions. Opening a savings account, tracking daily expenses, buying a simple budgeting notebook. Even these small steps can create financial momentum. Rule number three, don't wait for permission. When someone chooses a minimalist lifestyle, others may not understand it. Friends may question why someone avoids expensive upgrades. Friends may question why someone avoids expensive upgrades. Family members might ask why someone chooses to live more simply. But financial minimalism is not about impressing others. It is about aligning financial choices with personal values. For some people, that means prioritizing peace of mind over social expectations. Many people waste years trying to improve weaknesses, but highly successful individuals often focus on something else. They double down on their strengths. Someone skilled in teaching might create educational content. A tech savvy person might develop digital services. Financial minimalism encourages people to invest energy where they create the highest value and impact. Many assume that financial problems disappear once income increases, but higher income alone does not guarantee financial stability. Consider two individuals. One earns 30,000 monthly but saves consistently. Another earns 80,000 pesos but spends everything. Over time, the first individual may accumulate greater wealth because wealth is not determined by income alone. It is determined by financial habits. Rule number 6, focus on wealth, not just income. Income requires active work, but wealth continues growing even when someone is resting. This is the difference between earning money and owning assets. Assets may include investments, businesses, lots, farms, rental spaces, dividend stocks, MP2, okay, rental properties, and lots of more. Even agricultural products can be one. Financial minimalists focus on gradually building assets that generate long-term financial security. Rule number 7, some stress is necessary. Comfort is appealing, but too much comfort can prevent personal growth. Learning about investing can feel intimidating. Starting a new project can feel uncertain. But these uncomfortable moments often signal progress. Financial minimalism encourages embracing healthy challenges that lead to improvement. Rule number 8, too much of anything becomes a problem. Even good habits can become harmful when taken to extremes. Too much spending creates debt. Too much work leads to burnout. Even excessive saving without enjoying life can create dissatisfaction. Financial minimalism promotes balance. Spend intentionally, save consistently, and appreciate life without unnecessary excess. Rule number 9, never stop learning. A single idea can transform someone's financial future. A book, a podcast, a conversation. Learning about money provides one of the highest returns on investment because better knowledge leads to better financial decisions. And better decisions compound over time. Okay, huh? All right. Financial minimalism is not about living with nothing. It is about living with intentional. Everything is intentional. Less clutter, less financial pressure, less unnecessary complexity, and more focus on the things that truly matter. Because real wealth is not measured by how much someone owns, but by how little they actually need to live a meaningful life. Okay, for those interested in creating a calmer and simpler home environment, tools such as indoor plants, minimalist plant pots, and organic potting soil can easily be found through Shopee and Lazada via YouTube shopping affiliate here in this channel. And then I will be tagging those products. Sometimes the journey toward financial freedom begins with something surprisingly simple: choose less.